So now I'm going to show you some basic tips on how to navigate around vocabulary. So the big words vocabulary in the top left corner is basically the home screen here. So at any point, if you want to go back to the main screen, you click that button and it brings you here. When you want to access the songs and videos, you can always go back to the home screen or go to the songs and videos here. And as you highlight above, it shows you the different categories inside. So you can either click reading and writing here, or you could go to the main button and it shows you then the grades for each of these subcategories. We're going to look at reading and writing. So I would click this picture. And then it gives you all of the different topics in reading and writing. And remember, they're all aligned to state standards and they show you the grade levels that they are appropriate for. So typically, the younger grades are toward the top. And as we navigate toward the bottom, it goes toward grades 8 all the way to 12. What's nice about vocabulary too is they show you when something is new, so that way you know you've never seen it. And they also tell you some videos that are going to be coming soon, so you know what you can expect. Now we're going to go back to the top and we're going to look at the first video, which focuses on fables. So some nice things that you may not know about the vocabulary videos are all of these categories that students can do are already located on the side. So you don't necessarily need to assign them to the students. You can always just click on them or have them do them on their own time. What's nice about these videos is one, they provide the lyrics for you. So you could click this button and it would give you the lyrics. You could have the students, you could print them out for them to look at, or they could just read along or rap along while the videos are going on. They also have quick reviews. So just a few quick questions for the students to make sure they understood the topic and feel successful with it. And they also have a discussion button that you are able to choose on and off. So typically when I show the students the video for the first time, I pick the discussion to leave on. This tells you that at certain points throughout the video, they're going to stop and they're going to give you a question or something for the students to turn and talk about. So you can even click to the first question and it shows you the different areas where they're going to pause and ask. So for example, how did the crow learn that little by little does the trick? And students can turn and talk about this, answer it on their own times. What's nice about these videos is students can watch them on their own time. They can go home and access these videos if they feel confused on something. And in those situations, students might not want the discussion, so they can opt to leave them out and the video just plays through. Just a few other areas I'd like to focus and show you about is this star button here where you can click this and add it to the favorites. So if it's a video that you use often or from year to year, you can choose that and it will go into your favorite category, so it's easy for you to access. The vocabulary button on the side just shows them some of the words they're going to discuss. And when you click on them, it gives you the definition, examples, some synonyms. They can practice writing the word and drawing the word, which is a nice feature. And they can also listen to it as well. The read and respond just provides some passages for students, and then they're able to take a little quiz on it and it gives them some feedback on their performance. There is also a quiz which does not have passage like questions, so they're able to move a little bit faster through this. And then there's also a button for the students to be able to create using some of the words. They can make their own video or just keep some notes from them for themselves. So those are just a few features that I wanted to point out, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any other questions that maybe I did not focus on, you can go to the how to use button and the how to use the first. And it also gives you some other areas in getting started, and if you need any questions on your team or with planning your lessons, some videos and feedback on how to answer your questions. Okay, thanks.